Alright, Jasmine S35. This little workhorse is a favorite pick for viewers who want the most guitar for their money. The S35 is a full-size dreadnought, Sitka spruce top on many variants, agathis or mahogany back sides on others, Jasmine's X-bracing, and it's consistently priced in the budget-friendly bracket, often well under $150 in bundle form, and in many reviews it's praised as one of the best budget buys under $100 to $150 depending on the bundle you snag. What makes it vlog-worthy? For pennies compared to pro guitars, the S35 gives a surprisingly big, bold tone and comfortable playability. It's the classic, don't sleep on this pick. Audience reviews reflect a common theme. For the price, this is outstanding. Users report nice volume and decent clarity, especially straight out of the box compared to other ultra-cheapy options. Naturally, compromises exist. The hardware and finish are premium, and some players note variability in setup from unit to unit, but a quick setup and fresh strings usually fix most complaints. Pros: tremendous bang for buck, playable right away, great as a travel or starter guitar. Cons: finish, fit and finish inconsistency, and it won't replace a solid wood high-end instrument. It's a great first guitar narrative for your video script. Show the price, demo a chord progression, react to the tone. Viewers love that honest reaction. As always, we share by links in description box.